friends, running kimono. Well, Fetch Rewards has done it again. Before we dive into the curbside pickup, this is a free item. Basically, go to your discoveries page of your Fetch Rewards app. So the bottom left-hand corner, hopefully you have this as well. It's a free Talenti pairing, which is like, a mismatch of like two delicious flavors. And honestly, if you're heading out to Walgreens, maybe moonwalk down the ice cream aisle. And if you might find it, it's another little freebie. Maybe use some Walgreens cash or something to pay for it. I think mostly like Walmart, and if you have a Meijer grocery store or a Kroger grocery store, you probably can find these. It's a newer product, but you get to try these ones for free. So you guys have heard me talk about the Fetch Rewards app, and if you've been sitting on the fence, if free ice cream isn't the thing to make you sign up for, I don't know what might be. But sign up today, check out the link in the notes, and when you use my referral code at sign up and you photograph any receipt, you're given an extra $2. And this is for new signups only, so if you've been kind of on the fence about this, or you're like, I don't want something extra for my phone, today is the day. Free ice cream, free delicious ice cream. And this is the fancy stuff too, so this really made me happy because I know my husband will love this. Okay, so last week I made a video, a couple different curbside deals, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So we're going to dive back into it. So when you're on the app or on the website, click this blue box and opt for curbside pickup, which means you order it through your phone or a desktop computer. You physically drive to the store, you park in a designated area, and the employee will bring it out to you, or you walk into the store, go to the photo desk and say, hi, there's an order here for Jane Smith. And they'll be like, 1 second. Everything is paid for and done for online. And yeah, there's some significant little deals here because curbside usually a little bit cheaper. The first deal that we're going to look at, I think will be very easy. The second one, a bit challenging. The first item that we're going to grab for this basket, and if you want to do a mismatch or grab something different, by all means go for it. This is just to give you an idea. It is to grab one of these Neutrogena Hydro Boost masks for $2.99. Now we have this $3 manufacturer, which will get reduced down to $2.99, as that is the cost of the product, no overage. And it's off of a Hydro Boost product, thus that mask is in fact included. So we're also going to be grabbing two of these old fashions, which is the toothpaste. And even though the offer for this is buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash, it's not a register reward, so this will work for you as a curbside pickup. And it will not show on your account until you physically finish the order. So you got to go to the store, fulfill the order, and then the $4 of Walgreens cash, I think it's in a couple hours, will post to your account. Okay, and you need this digital coupon loaded. So we're going to be grabbing 2 tubes of that toothpaste, and then we have a 3 off of 2 digital that we need loaded. So, if you want some toothpaste, this might be a deal for you, but if you don't want toothpaste, obviously don't buy it. And then the next item we're going to grab is 2 bags of these Hershey's Kisses priced at $2.49. We have a $1 digital and then $1 off 2 IVC. And just to show you, here they are. And for some of you that always want to figure out my location or where I am, I had to just find 2 different stores. So usually in the Houston, Texas area or Oklahoma, they have so many Walgreens, so you could just slip in the zip and just find whatever you want. Because in small town Michigan, it is challenging today with this tall order. Now, to get the basket right where I can use $10 of Walgreens cash, I also threw in this little candy bar. I went for a payday because they have so many paydays at every store. It's just a very popular candy bar around here. So looking at the subtotal here, or the basket with all the coupons, this is what's applied. The $1 off 2 IVC, the 3 off of 2 for the Colgate, the $1 digital for the Hershey's Kisses, and then for that mask, it was a $3 coupon reduced down to $2.99. Now, I tried to put in a code and it just kept rejecting it. And I know a lot of you have that issue too. So I had no luck this morning, but I did try. And today's report is that it was an epic fail. It just did not work for me. But using this little chorus line of all these digital coupons, the new subtotal is $10.19. And I'm factoring tax, and I'm in Texas today because that's where I could find all this stuff. So $10.19, use $10 of Walgreens cash with your debit card, charge that 19 cents. And after you pick up your order, you will get back $4 in Walgreens cash for the purchase of the 2 Colgate toothpastes. Okay, so this next deal, the Problem with this one is this specific product is very hard to track down. So that's why I had to start looking in Texas and Oklahoma and all these other bigger cities because I could not find it in small town Michigan. It is to grab 2 of these L'Oreal Paris Artisan eye makeup removers. Buy one, get one 50% off. We have a 9 off of 2 and then $1.50 off of each IVC coupon. So you're going to need to load both of these friends to make this deal happen. As you can see, the 2 little makeup removers, that's $11.68. And then I threw in a baby lip for $3.99. And for the baby lip, we have a $2 digital, so please make sure you have this loaded. It's not exactly free, but it gets your basket to that $10 mark where you can do the curbside. Now, just to show you what's applied, the L'Oreal Paris IVC, $2.23 off, the $2 off for the baby lip, and then that 9 off of 2 for that fancier L'Oreal Paris makeup remover, $9 off right there. So looking at this basket again, we have our promo, the IVC of $2.23 off, a curbside pickup, which is free. You're getting to the store, getting your stuff, and laughing all the way to the bank. $11 in manufacturers, the 9 for the L'Oreal, and then the 2 for the Maybelline. So the new total is $2.64. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay the 64 cents, and get 3 cosmetic products for 64 cents. Good luck finding that makeup remover. It's a bit challenging. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.